surprise or joy is used as per the sense of the reported speech. Again I am telling you, exclaim it is always used in the reporting verb. What is used? Exclaim it is always used with the reporting verb. And after exclaim it, either sorrow, wonder or joy is used as per the sense of the reported speech. As per the sense of the reported speech. Next, that conjunction is used to join the reporting verb and the reported speech of the optative sentence. What is used? That conjunction is used to join the reporting verb and the reported speech of the exclamatory sentence. Thereafter, exclamatory is changed into and exclamatory sentence is changed into what? Assertive. And that assertive is changed from direct into indirect with the help of the gender looks. Again I am describing. Thereafter, I will write down. First of all, exclamatory is the expression of exclamation in form of happiness, wonder, and sorrow. An exclamatory sentence is the expression of happiness, wonder, or sorrow. Wonder means disgust. D-I-S-G-U-S-T. Exclaim it is always used in the reporting verb. And after exclaim it, either sorrow, joy, or wonder is used as per the sense of the reported speech. As per the sense of the reported speech. Third, that very exclamatory of the reported speech is made assertive, and that assertive is changed from direct into indirect with the help of the gender looks. As for example, here I write, what a lovely flower Ruth eat. It is an exclamatory sentence. It is an exclamatory sentence. If it is to be changed into assertive, it will be written, Rose is a very lovely flower. Rose is a very lovely flower. It is an exclamatory, and thereafter it has been changed into assertive. After it, I write into sentence, what a fine scene of Kashmir is. What a fine scene of Kashmir is. Exclamatory. The scene of Kashmir is very fine. The scene of Kashmir is very fine. It is exclamatory and it Next is affirmative, that is assertive. A-double-S-E-R-T-I-V-E, what is assertive? But a fine scene of Kashmir is, it means it is an exclamatory sentence and it is an assertive. So, the next rule is told in course of changing from direct into indirect is this, that what a fine scene of Kashmir is, it means the scene of Kashmir is very fine. So, I have told you even today, rules of exclamative. I have discussed the rules of exclamative, how to change from direct into indirect of the exclamative sentences. Here, some of the rules that require to be kept in our mind in course of changing from direct into indirect of the optative sentences. Though these rules are, exclaim with is always used. What is always used? Exclaim with is always used. And after it, either sorrow, joy, or happiness, wonder is used as per the sense of the reported speech. That conjunction is used. What is used? That conjunction is used to join the reporting verb and the reported speech. Thereafter, that very exclamatory is changed into assertive. I have written, what a lovely flower rose is. Rose is a very lovely flower. What a fine scene of Kashmir is. The scene of Kashmir is very fine. Now, I have already discussed, even in course of teaching the sentence, I have told sentences have been divided into 5 parts. And this is the last part, that is called exclamatory sentence. And in exclamatory sentence, I have taught an exclamatory is the expression of exclamation in form of wonder, joy, or so. And thereafter, that very sentence, whenever we require to change from direct into indirect, the told rules, the said rules are used. Again, I am going to describe the rule. Tomorrow I will write the examples, because I am going to make an end of my lecture today. The last, I am telling you the rules that I have taught in the exclamative sentences. Suppose, first of all, exclaim with is always used. After exclaim with, sorrow, happiness, or wonder is used. That conjunction is used to join the reporting verb and reported speech. Exclamative is changed into assertive, and that assertive is changed from direct into indirect with the help of the general rules. These are the rules that are applied to change from direct into indirect of the exclamative sentence. Again, I am going to tell you from the very beginning. Whenever I started teaching narration, I told you the act of reporting words of the speaker is called narration. Narration has been divided into 2 parts, direct and indirect. And here we have to learn how to change from direct into indirect. For changing the direct into indirect, first of all we have to learn some of the general rules. Those general rules have been already discussed. And thereafter the rules of the assertive, both are the same. What is the rule? What are the rules that are applied in course of changing from direct into indirect? General rules. Those general rules are also applied with the assertive sentence. Thereafter, interrogative. All the rules were dictated, all the rules were told in the interrogative. After interrogative, some of the rules of the imperative were told, and it was told how to change from direct into indirect of the imperative sentence. After imperative, I have taught, I have written, I have spoken, I have delivered the lecture, how to change from into direct into indirect of the optative sentence. At last, at the end, I have told you how to change from direct into indirect of the exclamative sentence. All the rules have been discussed, all the rules have been expressed in course of delivering the lecture, and I have shown how to change from exclamative to assertive, from exclamative to assertive. Thereafter, I will write tomorrow examples and some of the miscellaneous examples I will also give you by tomorrow. And after this, I will start teaching class 10th literature. Today is the end of my lecture. Thank you.